Okay, it's very important to do your Facebook marketing audience, and we're going to be using Go High Level to create that segment of people that we want to market to specifically to Facebook. And so I don't know what CRM you're using, but I use Go High Level. The link is in the description. So what we're going to do is filter those out using a tag. This is how easy it is. Using a tag. In this case, it is realtors. Realtor. Here, apply the tag. And so that gives save as a smart list, 29,000 people. So realtors. So now we saved all of these people, 29,000, that's saved. You see the list right here. All you do is select this, select all 29,000. You see, I click that. And then I'm going to download, you see export context. And it doesn't take a long time or either. Look at that. See, it's already going 1,000, 1,500. It takes a little, maybe a minute. So hold on one second. Okay, so now it's downloaded. So now we go over here to the downloads here. You see in the downloads, and we just open up that folder right here. And it's under downloads. Come on, computer. All right, so it's right there. File saver downloads in a CSV. We come over here to Facebook. This is how easy. Now, if you don't know if you haven't created a business account for your advertising already, make sure you're in the right. If you're a marketing agency, make sure you're in the right account. You don't want to upload to the wrong account because that's like the main, that's the main umbrella. Okay, so then we come over here to audiences. See audiences right here? It's as easy as that. It really is. And you may have to do. Okay, so I already have some already here, but we're going to create an audience, custom audience. And then it says, where is the source at? So you're going to say customer list. We go next. And you're going to say import download file, blah, blah, blah. How to prepare. I think we're next. Yes, customer. No, my value does not have a custom value. That's if you want to assign a conversion rate, depending on that, whatever you're selling. But I don't need to in this case. And then upload a list, CSV. Just upload this file, and you just come over here wherever you stored it at. Here and here. Up CSV. Next. Actually, I want to go back, and I want to call this. You see, name your audience. Realtors. HAR, Houston, and then this year to Houston 2023. We have a bunch of realtors from different cities. Map, this is the phone number, that's the email address. We've matched 2 columns for you. Please check if they're correct. Because it actually does a lot of stuff for you already. Import, and it looks like there are 9 unmapped. You finish mapping. Let's go back real quick and let's say action needed. Contact ID, we don't need that. Let's go here, first name. Here, just see how and then you see how I say his last name here? Click here and we're gonna go, where is last name? Oh, surname. Business name, this is for his brokerage. I really don't need that, I guess. Company name. Actually, I would like to put company, actually. Well, country, region, but it doesn't have it. So some stuff won't be available. Mobile ID, zip, country, date of birth, year. Some stuff is just not going to be available. Company names there, created there, last activity, tags. I wish we had tags. We don't have tags in here. Additional emails. It looks like we're good because that's additional emails. Import. That's a no. Now we have mapped. We have the first name, we have the last name, the phone number, and I want to make sure that phone number is right. Well, no, it is because I mapped that earlier. And import and create. And this is how easy it is. That's it, really. How long does that take us? Like 5 minutes? So yeah, this is how you create a custom audience in Facebook in 2023. What are we in now? We are in near June. So this is what a lot of things change. But as of June 2023, this is how you do it. And it looks like it's uploaded right now. 66%. That's almost 20,000 people have been uploaded. And what's going to happen is that we can create now an audience. We can do a couple of things. Create an ad, create a lookalike audience, and a custom audience. So we'll get there in the next video. Hope you find this valuable. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you found this video valuable. Bye-bye. And by the way, I'm using Go High Level. The link is in the description. You use Go High Level as your CRM. And what it does is you can perform a lot of different operations. So like for instance, we have 1,000 people in this campaign. What happens is as soon as I send a contact, I send an SMS out. And if they reply, I can do a variety of things, including sending emails and voice drops. And all those conversations are connected, which is fantastic. Let me see here. Here, still in real estate. Let me see if I can pull one up for you one real quick. Okay, so the way we're gonna find out who is being messaged is we're gonna come over to one of the workflows. They click the trigger link, and a trigger link is basically you can track link activity. So we click this, look at the history real quick. And Lucy Friendly, let's see, executed, added tag. Let's go over here and open up that contact. We're gonna open up the contact real quick, and we can see everything this contact's done, and including viewed pages, viewed videos, all types of stuff. And we can see the conversation. So this one here, she viewed, you see here in the top corner, YouTube Realtor, she looked at this thing, she looked at this video, and so it sent out a SMS that didn't go out successful, so I have to resend it out. What did you think of the tips? You got 5 minutes. So it's a fantastic piece of equipment just to track the client activity. See you guys in the next one.